Welcome. In recent week, hundreds of new people have started to follow my channel. Therefore, I want to start with a short presentation. Who is Arctic? I'm Swedish but live September to April in Lofoten, Norway. I work as a photographer and filmmaker and also holds around 10 week-long workshops per year. In the summer I work as a military man and I'm a commander of a military ship. This year has been a different year. We have cancelled all our workshops due to the pandemic, so I have time to spend on other things. I started this channel in December last year and chose to make some flat earth videos, partly because I was fascinated how people could believe that the earth was flat. But also I wanted to learn more about YouTube. As you know, the platform is suitable for education, so it's a natural development of my ordinary business. In my flat earth debunk, I'm often covers areas that I master. It's often videos where they try to use photos and videos to prove the shape of the earth. And other areas I address is navigation, radio, radar, maps, compasses, etc. I also enjoy making videos with animated characters, often more satire. My goal is not to make a living out of YouTube. Any money I earn, I invest in projects that come to benefit to others. More about that later in the video. Now over to today's video. Kyle Adams is a flat earther who has something he calls Flat Earth Institute of Science on his YouTube channel. Today I take another look of one of his so-called lessons. Enjoy!
Where does a compass point?
North?
Okay. Where's north?
Okay, to be exact, compasses point to the North Magnetic Pole, up in the Arctic Circle.
Yeah, that makes total sense on a flat Earth. Here we have David Weiss moving a compass around the flat Earth, with his compass continually pointing at his North Magnetic Pole.
You flat earthers have always avoided to talk about the magnetic South Pole. It's located at 64.07 south and 135.088 east. So it's now outside the Antarctic continent in the sea, so it can be visited by ships. So if the Earth were flat, the compasses would not work to navigate with, except to the poles.
Okay, now where do compasses point on a globe?
They are supposed to point north, right?
Well, here's our compass on a globe. Does that look like it's pointing north to you?
No. That looks like it's pointing to outer space.
Why would it point out into space? There is no logic in that statement. Magnetic north is here, so in that case the needle should point like this. I will return to this later in this video.
I've never really thought about it like that before.
So, what happens when we move our person even farther south into Antarctica? Does that look like it's pointing north?
No, it looks even farther away from north.
If compasses were to point at the magnetic North Pole from anywhere outside the Arctic Circle, a compass would have to point at the ground in order to do so due to the curvature of the Earth.
And now you have changed your statement. In the picture, the needle points out to space, but you say it should point to the ground. You have no idea about how compasses works. A compass always points to the magnetic North Pole, so it wants to point down towards the ground if you are not very far north. Therefore, compasses are sold in different variants. One for the northern hemisphere, one for the southern and one for the areas around the equator. Buy a compass in the US and travel to South America. The compass will not work very well down there.
So when a person says compasses point north, are they describing a flat Earth? Or are they describing a globe?
Wow, they are definitely describing a flat Earth.
Exactly. Thanks for watching. I can't wait for next time.
Kyle and Karina call themselves professors. They end the video with the message, "Put your world to the test." Kyle and Karina have not performed any tests regarding the compasses. I doubt they even own a compass. Unlike Kyle and Karina, we do tests. Last week I started the Compass project, where I, together with my followers, will prove that the Earth cannot be flat with the help of compasses. Link to the project in the description. Another project is the Arctic Scholarship, where we will help YouTubers to create better photos and videos. Both Globers and Flat Earthers are welcome to apply for this scholarship. More information if you follow the links in the description. That was all for this time. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.